Guys, welcome to the live. How you guys doing? Welcome everybody right now. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. Hope you guys are doing well. We're not gonna waste a lot of time, okay? Just gonna do it like goo gaga. Just gonna do it quick. Crypto, Bitcoin. A quick Bitcoin look, see what's going on happening in the world of Bitcoin. So shout out to everybody that's joining us right here, right now. Okay, without further ado, guys. I feel like I don't want to be here. Okay, let's go. There you go, guys. That is what we're going to be talking about. So let's move on. So let's talk a bit of some market news. The law legalizing cryptocurrency mining has been officially implemented. Okay, this pertains to Russia. Shout out to all the Russians in the house. Yeah, so there is a law. The law legalizing cryptocurrency mining has officially been implemented, right? Yep. So it is officially been. So the legalization of cryptocurrency mining in Russia was signed into law by President Vladimir Putin. Shout out to Putin on August the 8th. Okay, today, depending where you at, here here this side it's 9th of August. Maybe some of you guys are still in 8th of August, but I kind of feel like everybody's we're now on the 9th of August. So yeah, so Putin on August the 8th. And guys, this is a significant development that could have wide-ranging effects on the whole global cryptocurrency outlook, right? So just want to talk about some of the potential that some of the weight that it carries. You can see there we've got some increased mining activities, market competition, energy consumption, regulatory trends, investment flows, technology, cross-border, and etc. So definitely, guys, increased mining activity. So already know that this legalization will likely this legalization will likely lead to a surge in mining activities in within Russia, right? And this has got the potential to attract both local and international investors, thereby boosting the global mining volumes. It will just add on to the mining volume that is already available. So Russia's abundant energy resources kind of makes it an attractive destination for those mining operations. So shout out to Russia, man. Okay, shout out to Russia. And also market competition is another area as well. Give me a second. I'm just trying to level up something here. Market competition. Yep. So there you go. Market competition as well. So with Russia entering the scene as a global mining hub, the global mining market could see shifts, obviously, in competition, right? You can also have new companies are likely to emerge, and existing ones might need to adapt to the new landscape, obviously having new people come in and also having this bill haven't been signed into law as well. So these are some of the existing changes that are there as well. So the landscape basically changes, right? So the entry of Russia as a key player could potentially challenge the dominance of current mining centers. Okay, so that is another as well. Energy consumption as well, and environmental impact, which this will see the increase in mining activities. This could also raise concerns about energy consumption, especially knowing that Russia's status as a major energy exporter, right? The environmental implications could become a focal point of discussion, both domestically and also internationally. Definitely there, that is a point of contention as well. So let's move on to the other points as well. Could have also regulatory trends as well. Yeah, trends in cryptocurrency. So yeah, the trends, guys. Russia's decision to legalize mining may also kind of influence other countries to revisit their cryptocurrency policies. Uh, there's no doubt that it could spark a wave of regulatory developments worldwide as governments observe the outcomes in Russia and potentially seek to implement their own frameworks. Okay, so this will also boost some, of course, investment flows as well. Investment flows. Investment flows as well. Yeah, investment flows. So you definitely know the legalization is likely to boost investor confidence in cryptocurrency, particularly for Russia as well. This could lead to an increase in capital flows, capital inflows into the crypto market, positively affecting market sentiments and potentially driving up the prices of various digital currencies. Okay, so that is a plus. That is a good thing for the crypto. Let's see what else um, we have here. Technology and talent. Technology and talent development, right? To also lead to technology and talent development. So legalization might stimulate the development of cryptocurrency related technologies and attract skilled professionals to Russia. This could accelerate technological advancement in the crypto industry, positioning Russia as a hub for innovation in this tech space, okay, or in the global cryptocurrency space as well. Cross-border payments and trade. Russia's plan there. So overall, guys, so yes, Russia's plan to use cryptocurrencies for cross-border payments could have significant implications, especially in the context of Western sanctions. Remember, they're under some sanctions. This move might simplify international trade, right? Simplify international trade for Russia and other sanctioned countries, reducing their reliance on traditional financial systems and potentially circumventing some of the challenges posed by sanctions. So overall, the legalization of cryptocurrency mining in Russia could lead to increased mining activities, shifts in market competition, and border regulatory changes. It may also drive technological advancements and alter the landscape of cross-border trade payments, especially for countries as well. Uh, Especially for countries facing financial sanctions. So this could be this could be something good for Okay, that's good as well. So let's just move on. Let's see what else we have here. Okay. Okay, let's move on to the next one. We were ready. So JP Morgan analysts say that despite the recent market volatility, institutional investors have limited or no risk, right? Okay, that is JP Morgan. Give me a second. So yeah, so let's see what JP Morgan is actually saying here, okay? So yeah, JP Morgan analysts have observed that despite recent volatility in the cryptocurrency market, institutional investors continue to show a steady or even growing interest in Bitcoin futures. So you can already see that this ongoing interest has contributed to the recent rebound in Bitcoin prices. The analysts note also that institutional investors do not appear to be significantly reducing their risk exposure to Bitcoin futures, indicating a level of confidence in the cryptocurrency future prospects. So you can see right here that JP Morgan's position indicator, which tracks the cumulative open interest of Bitcoin future contracts on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, suggests that institutional investors maintain an optimistic outlook. Obviously, the positive. Where am I? I cannot see myself. Definitely, yeah. The positive slope of the future curve, where future prices are higher than spot prices, further supports the idea that these investors expect Bitcoin value to increase over time. Definitely, that is good. However, guys, despite this optimism reflected in future markets, JP Morgan analysts believe and remain cautious about the broader cryptocurrency market. They've already acknowledged the positive sentiments amongst futures investors, but advise careful consideration of the ongoing market volatility and potential risk associated with cryptocurrency investments. Again, this cautious stance highlights the complexities of the cryptocurrency market, right? Where short-term price rebounds may not necessarily indicate long-term stability and or growth. Okay, definitely we have that as well. So last week, so that's JP Morgan. Let's see what Morgan Stanley, okay? Let's see what Morgan Stanley has to say. What is their contribution? There you go. So last week, Morgan Stanley allowed its wealth advisors, right? Okay. So Morgan Stanley, you can see that Morgan Stanley has recently taken a significant step by allowing its wealth advisors to recommend spot Bitcoin exchange traded funds, EFTs, to certain clients. So this move, you can really see that it signals a growing acceptance of Bitcoin within traditional financial institutions, potentially opening the door for more widespread adoption among high net worth individuals and institutional investors. Okay, and additionally, Morgan Stanley analysts have commented on the state of the cryptocurrency market, noting that the large-scale liquidations resulting from the bankruptcies of Mount Gox and Genesis may have come to an end. So you can see that this reduction in selling pressure could create a more stable environment for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Furthermore, as well, the anticipated cash payout from the FTX bankruptcy later this year is expected to inject liquidity, into the market, potentially driving increased demand for crypto, right? So you can also see that Morgan Stanley as well, guys. Analysts also highlighted that both major U.S. political parties have shown support for favorable cryptocurrency regulation. This bipartisan backing could lead to more clear and supportive regulatory frameworks, which would be beneficial for the market's long-term growth. Okay, definitely. As well. So there you go, guys. But however, guys, despite these positive developments, Morgan Stanley, right? Analysts caution that much of this optimism has already been priced into the markets. So what basically this means is that it's only suggesting that while catalysts are encouraging, they may not lead to significant price surges in the short term. As expected, as investors have already anticipated and reacted to these factors. Okay, so in summary, Morgan Stanley's recent actions and analysis reflect a cautious optimism towards cryptocurrency market, underpinned by potential regulatory support and reduced liquidation pressures, yet tempered by the awareness that these positive factors are already largely factored into current market valuations. So definitely, there you go, guys. All alone today. So let's go. Let's talk about Bitcoin. Recently, the price has fallen rapidly and has broken through several support levels after several attempts at the 70,000 resistance level. You can also see that the previous high of around 68,000 can be shortened. There are two more support levels at 51,200 and 46,000. Yeah. So obviously, there are some interesting facets here, guys. Let's just talk a little bit about those price levels and those trend lines. You can see that the chart shows several key resistance that we already talked about and support levels. The most noticeable resistance level here is around 60,956, and key support level is around 18,524. Their upward and downward trend lines indicating a long-term rising trend in Bitcoin price with recent consolidation phase. Okay, I also see our moving averages. Okay, the 50 and 200 day. You can see that the 50-day moving average seems to be below the 200-day moving average. This is just indicating maybe more bearish crossover. That typically suggests a downward momentum as well. So you can see that the area marked A there, that platform, it's highlighting a critical zone of previous support. So the A zone is just showing previous support, and this could act as a significant support level in case of a decline is going to happen. Okay, so let's give a bit of interpretation here, guys. A short-term outlook. So the price is currently in a consolidating phase, and it's fluctuating within a defined range. As you can see there, a breakout from this range supported by a lot of volume could indicate the next directional move. Okay, support and resistance as well, we did talk about that. The support at $18,524 is crucial to watch over here. If the price breaks below this, it might signal further downside. On the other end, resistance around 60,956 must be cleared for a strong upward momentum. Okay, so let's just go there to the next one. We're not going to take up a lot of time today. Make sure that you follow us, guys. After falling for 8 consecutive days, there is a small rebound in the latter period and support, right? Okay. In the latter period, the support strength is around 51,200. 51,200. The support below is at 46,000. If it can be effectively supported, you can continue to go long. In the short term, the stop profit of the rebound above is 65,000. Okay, so let's just go there and let's just talk about some things here, guys. Definitely, you can see some key observations on this chart here. The price channels, obviously, and the zones. So you can see that right here, guys, the price is currently moving within a descending channel, also indicating by the sloping black lines at the top and bottom. This just suggests a bearish trend in the short to medium term. You can see that blue region, that is this is the price range where the Bitcoin has been consolidating before it broke down. Okay, this might have served as a support area previously, but now acts as a resistance, okay, around that range. So you can see that the A zone as well represents a significant support area around that $31,247 level. So if the price declines to this area, it will be critical for you guys to observe whether it holds on there or it doesn't as well. So definitely, let's go. So B is our resistance. So you can see that B indicates a critical resistance zone. And here, guys, you can see that the price has been struggling to just break through. The resistance levels are around $64,295 and $63,547, which are near the upper edge of the descending channel. Okay, the price, you can also see that the price is currently below the critical resistance levels and the moving averages, suggesting continued downward pressure. And you can also see that here the decline is approaching the significant support zone, which is marked as A. Okay, so let's just go there and let's finish it off. Who's watching right now, make sure you follow, make sure you share. Bearish momentum. So the downward movement in price on this chart, coupled with the bearish signals from both the moving averages and the MACD, suggests that Bitcoin might continue its downward trajectory unless it finds strong support in the upcoming levels. Okay, and you can notice here, guys, that if the price reaches the support area that is marked A around 31,247, it will be crucial to see whether this level holds. A breakdown below this level could lead to further declines. Okay, watch for volume and MACD as well. Okay, welcome to the live broadcast. How are you guys doing? Okay, let's move on. The trading review, we've done all these companies, Solana and one of them. These are the companies that we've done. These ones are for this month. We've done crypto on the 2nd. This was the recommendation date. And all these other cryptos that I've been talking about, I will also try to put them on the trading review. And guys, I have an announcement. We will discontinue doing the live broadcasts, but not yet. We will discontinue at the end of this month. I just wanted to thank you guys for your support and for your patience, but we will discontinue this whole live breakdown. But actually looking for people to work with. If you are into crypto investing, you are a crypto guru, we would like to work together with you guys. So please feel free to text us on WhatsApp there. Just scan our QR code there and come in our DM, and let's just chop it up. Let's talk. Let's see what we can do together. Let's try to do crypto together. Could not freely speak on here. That's why I'm urging you guys to just text on WhatsApp or send messages on WhatsApp so that we can have a discussion with you on WhatsApp. We pitch our project to you. You listen, and we also listen to what you have in store, how we can help each other. So guys, do not forget about being a smart investor. We've reached the end of the live broadcast, guys. I'll see you on another day. Goodbye.